What's up, guys? This is Paul. I got a 1998 Lexus ES300. I'm doing upper engine gasket change, basically valve cover gaskets, intake gasket, throttle body gaskets, EGR gasket, control valve gaskets, basically the whole upper engine gaskets change. This is a part 2 video. Basically, I loosen all the bolts, but I haven't taken them out, so I'll be doing that with you guys. Alright, so here we go. Alright, so now first of all, we'll just get all this stuff out of the way, so make some room first. Basically, I need to position my camera somewhere somehow. There we go. So it just basically clips on it, and you hold it down, and just gonna apply some force into it to take all the plugs out. So this way at least we get some room to work on the car and see where all the other things are located. Pretty much simple, just as you go, just look through all the wires that needs to be out. So I took out all 3 plugs. So this should be coming out now. What we have here, I'm gonna take this hose right here out from the VRS. Okay, this is out. EGR side. There we go. What else we got? Now we got the other side. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Where is this going? Oh, it's going. Oh, it's supposed to go in the intake. Okay. What else we got? So take that out from here.
सारी कटनियां लोड जरूरी है.
Could you record? Hold this.
Huh?
Could you hold it? There's one more that's going right there. Take that out.
ਸਾਰੀਆਂ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਨਾ ਕੱਢਣਾ, ਕੋਈ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਉਹ ਕੱਢ ਲਓ ਬਸ।
So we'll just leave this right here. I'll just place my wire set right there. So now this gives me more room to work on.